Future continuous. The future continuous tense is used by native English speakers quite often, and this is your chance to learn and understand this tense. What is future continuous tense? The future continuous tense is used to indicate an action that will be ongoing in the future. Structure. The future continuous tense is formed with will plus be plus ing form of the verb. Look at the example. She will be cooking dinner. Negative form. We can easily use this tense in negative sentences using not. The short form of will plus not is won't. Look at the example. Hannah will not be washing the dishes tonight. Negative form. Short form of will plus not is won't. Look at the example. I'm sorry, but I won't be writing to you. Question form. We can easily use this tense in questions by simply changing the places of the subject and the modal verb. Look at the example. Will you be singing to me then? Future continuous, use 1. We use the future continuous tense to talk about an unfinished action that will be in progress at a time later than now. Look at the example. They will be watching TV at 9 p.m. tonight. Future continuous, use 2. We use the future continuous tense to talk about an action that will be in progress in the future and gets interrupted by a shorter action. Look at the example. They will be talking on the stage when you enter. Future continuous, use 3. We use the future continuous tense to project ourselves into the future when we have already made a decision or plan to do something. Look at the example. This time next month, I will be moving in our new home. Future continuous, use 4. We use the future continuous tense with still to talk about events that are already happening now and that we expect to continue until sometime into the future. Look at the example. Sadly, prices will still be rising in years to come. Future continuous, use 5. We use the future continuous tense to predict future events. It means we are not totally sure whether it happens or not. Look at the example. You'll be feeling hungry after gardening all day, I guess. Future continuous, use 6. We can use future continuous tense to talk about ongoing events that we expect to happen in the future. Look at the example. I'll be visiting Paul at the party next week. Future continuous, use 7. We use the future continuous tense to talk about planned or scheduled events in the future, often as a reminder or warning. Look at the example. We'll be leaving at 12 o'clock. Don't be late. When not to use future continuous tense. We do not normally use the continuous tense with stative verbs, also known as non-continuous verbs. Action verbs describe activities like running, thinking, writing. Stative verbs describe states of existence. For example, be, seem, and know. Stative verbs, non-continuous verbs. Look at the example. When you see him tomorrow, he will seem, not will be seeming, like a different person.